This is a video for the 4-petal versus 2-petal front plane flower hybrid. The left hand is doing a 4-petal anti-spin flower. The right hand, designated with this raspberry color, is doing a 2-petal horizontal, so using the 9 and 3 o'clock points, and then you put it together in split time. So first, and I'll show this to you back view so that you can just model what I'm doing without having to reverse it. The left hand is going to be going clockwise in extension, roughly. And the right hand is going to be going anti-clockwise in extension, roughly. So if you put the two of them together, the hands will meet at 9 o'clock and then meet again at 3. Meet at 9, meet at 3. Meet at 9, meet at 3, meet at 9, meet at 3. The left hand does anti-spin going from the left to the top to the right to the bottom. Left, top, right, bottom. 9, 12, 3, 6. 9, 12, 3, 6. 9, 12, 3, 6. The right hand goes from 9 to 3 to 9, extend to 3, extend to 12 to 9, extend to 3, extend to 9, extend to 3, extend to 9. Now, when you put both hands together, on the left side, the left poi is closer to your body, and the right poi is further from your body. That switches when you go to the right side. The right hand is closer to your body, and the left hand is further from your body. So their orientation switches at the top and bottom point so that the two hands change. And the away hand, meaning the hand that is crossing, is always further from the front of your body than the other hand on the crossing side. So on the away side. To put it together, I would move 2 positions at a time. Starting at this 9 o'clock position, bring the right hand across the bottom while the left goes across the top. Then bring the left across the bottom while the right goes across the top. Right across the bottom, left across the top. Left across the bottom, right across the top. Right on bottom, left on top. Left on bottom, right on top. Left top, right bottom. Left bottom, right top. Left top, right bottom. Left bottom, right top. And then when you're ready, you can try to put it together in 4 counts. Hold it there. 4 counts. Hold it there. 4 counts, hold it there, 4 counts, hold it there, and then you can try and go continuously. You probably won't be able to do this in one sitting unless you are already pretty familiar with front plane flowers and have some familiarity with hybrids. Now the other version of this move has the right hand do the same anti-spin flower, so it's still 9, 12, 3, 6, left, top, right, bottom, however you look at that. And the left hand switches and does the 2 petals, left side, right side, or 9, 3, 9, 3. What does remain the same is the orientation, so the left hand is still closer to your body here, and the right hand is still further from your body. And then for this one, the right will go up while the left goes down. Then the left will go up while the right goes down. Right up, left down, left up, right down, right up, left down, left up, right down, and so on until you have that one as well. Then you can switch between them as I'm doing here. And so you have the audience perspective. This is what the move looks like from the audience. This is with the left doing the anti-spin, and now with the right doing the anti-spin. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.